Energy security, the number one priority for any nation. Self-sufficiency, the primary mission. It was the mid-90s. Global oil majors had declared India to be devoid of black gold. But Reliance believed otherwise. Not without reason. 4% of the world's sedimentary basins lay with India, with only 15% of the basins well explored. India produced less than 1% of the world's oil. It was quite clear that India was grossly underexplored. So when the government of India invited private sector participation through NELP and put 25 blocks up for bids, Reliance bid for 14 and got 12. These included deep water blocks. Deep water blocks are perceived to be the most challenging frontiers and considered to be the prerogative of only a few oil majors. Taking this into account, Reliance decided almost literally to jump in at the deep end. It began by investing heavily in people, processes, technology, and infrastructure from amongst the best available in the world. This combination of knowledge and technology led to the successful discovery of gas in the very first venture in the year 2002. Reliance today holds the largest acreage in the Indian private sector, along with overseas blocks in Oman, Yemen, and other parts of the world. Until date, it enjoys a prolific success rate of 75%. KG-D6 will be the site of the first deep-water gas development in India. A little over 4% of the total block area is slated to be developed in the initial phase, covering gas discoveries in Dhirubhai 1 and 3. The estimated reserves are in the region of 11 trillion cubic feet. With a production capacity of 80 million standard cubic meters per day, this will be the world's largest deep-water gas production facility. With this, the nation's current indigenous gas availability will more than double to serve the nation over the next decade or so. The challenges and risks in this project are manifold. The promise of reservoirs in the KG-D6 block is countered by the lethal hostility of the location. The gas reservoirs lie about 50 kilometers off the coastline, 1,800 to 2,200 meters below the seabed, in water depths up to 1,200 meters initially. First gas from this field is targeted for mid-2008, in less than 6 years from discovery. Global benchmarks for development of similar projects are 8 to 10 years. The project will entail an initial capital investment of $5.2 billion. It will have to overcome odds associated with supply chain pressures and escalating costs. Reliance's project teams are working round the clock, globally, across all supplier locations, spread over 10 countries, ensuring quality and timely delivery of equipment and services. The challenges do not stop here. By any and all scales, the KG-D6 project is one of mammoth proportions, from intent to implementation. One that will take the gas through a complex pipeline system all the way across from the east to the west, 1,400 kilometers, for direct consumption by a wide spectrum of consumers, from industries to individuals, from powering homes to helping create power for the nation.
Beautiful interiors are a reflection of good taste. Created with a little imagination and Al Shams from Al Anwar Ceramics, the first and only manufacturer of ceramic tiles in the Sultanate of Oman. Today, ranked among the country's most successful enterprises. What sets Al Anwar apart? Effective management, a highly motivated team, the best of talent and technology. Located at Nizwa, the Al Anwar plant extends across 85,000 square meters. And uses sophisticated equipment supplied by a leading Italian firm. The quality of the tile depends primarily on the raw material used. Al Anwar sources clay and sand from different mines in Oman. The crushed material is fed into the hoppers. From here, it goes to the ball mills, where it is made into slip in the right proportions. This entire process is computerized. From the ball mills, the slip goes into the agitator. It is then spray-dried and turns into powder. The powder is transferred to the silos for storing and aging. It is then drawn to the hydraulic presses, where tiles of different dimensions can be formed with ease. The next step is firing the tile to make the biscuit. Al Anwar uses state-of-the-art kilns with automatic temperature control to suit every kind of tile making. Following this, the tiles are glazed in modern glazing lines. Glazed materials and pigments are imported from Spain and Italy to ensure superior quality. Finally, various designs are printed on the tiles. The tiles are then sent to the sorting line. Each tile is carefully checked for surface quality, size and shape. The final batch is then packed, ready for dispatch. The entire process is computerized. Stringent quality control guides every step of production from start to finish, ensuring that the final product matches international standards. A newly set up third firing plant will also manufacture decor and border tiles. Al Shams offers a variety of wall and floor tiles to suit every decor. Today, Al Shams is the largest selling tile in Oman. Extremely successful on the export front. Al Shams, proving that a little imagination makes all the difference.